This is how I store eggs for up to 2 years. My grandmother shared this unusual method with me. Start by thoroughly cleaning dirty eggs with a brush. This is very important. It prevents damaging the natural protective layer. Once the eggs are clean, place them one by one into a clean, large jar. Fill the jar completely so the eggs don't move around. Now it's time for the preserving solution. Add 2 tablespoons of a secret ingredient to about 3 cups of water. I'll tell you what it is in a moment. Mix well until you get a milky white liquid. Pour it over the eggs so they're fully covered. Seal the jar tightly and gently roll it to distribute the liquid evenly. Store the jar in a cool, dark place. This mixture forms a protective layer on the shells, keeping the eggs from spoiling for many months, even up to 2 years. And here's the secret ingredient. It's slaked lime, a natural preservative known for generations. Simple, cheap, and no fridge needed.